BBN Adventures!
Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here with another park. This is park number 39, Griswold Park. Alright, so we are at Griswold Park. If you're familiar with National Lampoons and the Griswold family, you know that they're surrounded by Murphy's Law, which says, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. Well, we are going to hopefully have some good luck here today. Nothing can go wrong, and we're going to have a great time and some fun. And who's ready? I am.
All right, here we go. Woo!
Bad start.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Camden, you're not doing it right. Is it broken? Camden. No, is everything going wrong? Camden, what's wrong? Oh my goodness, you're right? That's okay. Okay, ready? Go. Whoa! Slide! Woo!
Going up.
What the fuck? What went wrong? Oh! It's stopped. Yay! It stopped raining. Say, is that snow?
No.
Is it snowing? It's snowing! Emma, it's snowing!
Yay!
Roar! Bird! Bird!
So cold.
Bird! What do you do when you're cold? There you go.
The next one. One more, Ems. One more. One more. Let's finish strong. Ooh. Nice.
Daddy, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. I got our Be Hopeful rock. I'm gonna hide it here out at Griswold Park. If you find it, comment down below and let us know.
You too?
Yeah.
You know, what do you got?
A big fairy door.
Okay, let's find a tree to put it on. Let's see. How about which one?
That one.
Oh no! I got struck by lightning! Oh no! Let's try another one. What's it?
How about that one?
Oh no, that one got struck by lightning. What's going on?
What about that one?
Oh no, that one got struck by lightning too.
Oh, it fell down on onto the other trees.
It fell down onto the other tree.
I like that one.
That one? Oh. Oh no. Oh no, we got another one? Which one?
That one.
That one?
Look.
Oh, not that one. Nope, not that one.
This one.
Oh, good. This one. Hopefully this one's good because I'm standing right on it. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a fairy door. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! The fairies are taking it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Good, the fairies put it back. See? The fairies put it back. Is that better? They're just playing. Phew. Okay.
Hooray! I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, Emmett, Camden. Okay, we are all done here at Griswold Park. Woo!
Done.
What a park! Lots of people there.
Here, Emmett, what was your favorite part? Ah, I knew it.
Daddy, what was your favorite part?
Just the open space, trying the little croquet kickball thing.
It was
Was
the
good?
favorite part.
Camden, what was your favorite part?
Playing kickball.
Playing kickball. That was fun. Making new friends. Yeah.
That's
That
the
was-
busiest park I think we've been to, besides maybe Hamilton.
Hamilton was a lot bigger and busier.
Yeah.
But a whole van load of kids showed up here, so it was a lot of kids here. So, but it was fun. Everything was fine. Everything was fun here. It was a lot of open space, and the playground was nice too. So, overall, pretty good. If everything didn't go wrong, it'll be all right. I could have done without all the lightning and the snow and
bats.
the rain, and bats, fairies, but
Crazy.
other than that, I think it was a good
Went
park.
okay. Went okay.
Okay, so give it a thumbs up if you liked it too. And comment down below and let us know what your favorite part was. We really would love to hear from you. And like I said before, like and subscribe. We need some more subscribers.
Hit that bell.
Ding! Yes, do that. What do you think, Em? All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us and watching our video. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!
Be fun. Sure. Period. The end.
Okay.
Baby adventures.
Testing Murphy's Law. Does toast always land jelly or butter side down? So if I just held it and drop it. Oh, it's jelly side out. Let's try again.
Perhaps our luck is turning.
Jelly side down.
50-50.
50. One more.
Oh.
One more. Test it. One more.
You gotta pretend like you're gonna take a bite. Right.
Ah! Oh, I kicked it.
Oh,
It got me though. Okay, so
jelly jelly.